trickled through emerald leaves, and the air hummed with birdsong. Lived a tiny pixie named Honeybell, and her best friend, a cheerful little bee named Nectar. Every morning, Honeybell's gossamer wings would sparkle like drops of dew as she fluttered from flower to flower, while Nectar buzzed happily beside her, collecting sweet pollen to share with their woodland friends. But today was no ordinary morning. Today they had a mission. "Come on, Nectar," Honeybell called, her golden hair glowing in the dawnlight. "The elder oak said the river is hiding a secret today. Let's go find